International Migration Center Karnataka is an initiative of the Department of Skill Development, Entrepreneurship and Livelihood. This project will enable Karnataka to provide opportunities for the mobility of skilled manpower from the state for overseas employment and position it as the preferred state of origin for skilled, trained and certified workers for a global market. Karnataka State Development Corporation has been registered as an overseas recruitment agency with the Protector General of Immigrants, Ministry of External Affairs (GOI). KSDC has been providing overseas job opportunities for doctors, nurses, ITES and domestic workers, construction workers, electricians, welders and many other blue-collar jobs. We have successfully placed more than 150 plus candidates overseas in various job categories. KSDC has signed agreements with the leading employees from Kuwait, Dubai, Oman and United Kingdom, and discussion with the European countries are in progress. On a pilot basis, 60 qualified nurses are being trained on a IELTS, CPT, OSCE to be placed in NHS Trust hospitals in United Kingdoms. Benefits of migrating through KSDC are counseling and guidance to potential migrants, skill matching as per their demand, documentation and service help, provides enhanced protection, welfare and hand-holding throughout the migrant life cycle, safe and orderly efficient migration, extensive focus on country and occupation specific PDO training, provides mandatory Pravasi Bharatiya Bima Yojana insurance for all migrants, assistance from the Indian Embassy and Consulate, liaison with registered foreign employees only, grievance redressal through mandate and emigrate, repatriation support. IMCK has the state-of-the-art pre-departure orientation training center in Bengaluru. The first ever in Karnataka, with already 180 plus migrants have been provided free training traveling or overseas employment. Karnataka shall have 3 new PDOT centers in Mangaluru, Kalaburgi and Hubballi shortly. We have successfully repatriated 32 distressed migrants of Karnataka who were stranded in Riyadh, Saudi Arabia, who had earlier migrated through illegal agents. Here is the feedback from domestic worker who has traveled from Bangalore to Kuwait.
ಹಾಯ್, ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನನ್ನ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಡಿಂಪಲ್. ನಾನು ಕೊಡಗಿನ ಮಡಿಕೇರಿಯ ವಾಸಿಯಾಗಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ನಾನು ಕುವೈಟಿಗೆ ಹೋಗಲು ಇಷ್ಟಪಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೆ, ಆದರೆ ನನಗೆ ಇಮಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮಿಂದಾಗಿ ಹೋಗಲು ಸಾಧ್ಯವಾಗಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಆನಂತರ ನನಗೆ ತಿಳಿಯಿತು ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಕೌಶಲ್ಯ ಅಭಿವೃದ್ಧಿ ನಿಗಮ ಮಂಡಳಿಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಲಿಯರೆನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ. ನಂತರ ನಾನು ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ ನನಗೆ 15 ದಿವಸದಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಲಿಯರೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಯಿತು. ಈಗ ನಾನು ಯಾವುದೇ ತೊಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲದೆ ಕುವೈಟಿಗೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದೇ ತೊಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲದೆ ಕೆಲಸನೂ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ನನಗೆ ಸಹಾಯ ಮಾಡಿದ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಸರ್ಕಾರದ CM S ಬೊಮ್ಮಾಯಿ ಅವರಿಗೂ, ಸಚಿವರಾದ ಅಶ್ವಥ್ ನಾರಾಯಣ ಅವರಿಗೂ ಹಾಗೂ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಕೌಶಲ್ಯ ಅಭಿವೃದ್ಧಿ ನಿಗಮ ಮಂಡಳಿಯ ಸಿಬ್ಬಂದಿ ವರ್ಗದವರಿಗೂ ಕೃತಜ್ಞತೆಯನ್ನು ಹೇಳಲು ಇಷ್ಟಪಡುತ್ತೇನೆ.
from Bangalore, Karnataka. I was seeking for a job in abroad and I don't know whom to contact. Then I came to know about this KSTC and I approached them for a job in abroad. Now I'm working in Kuwait as a maid. My current salary is 45,000. It helped me a lot and to my family. My sincere thanks to our Chief Minister Shri Basavaraja Bommai Sir, Skill Development Minister Shri Ashwin Narayan Sir and Principal Secretary Sir Selva Kumar for helping me to get a job in abroad. Thank you.